Look at this little guy. He just flew into my house and came into my room. He's just chilling, looking around. He's looking for bugs. Hey, you better get away from my dew. That's my Mountain Dew. Ooh, no, you better watch out. You get caught in that thing and you're done for. He's all, shit, where do I go? Where do I go? How do I get out? Let me out. Hey! Leave my seeds alone. Those are my seeds. Stay away from my strawberries. Hey! What are you doing? Get out. Those are my strawberries. You can't have nothing in here. This is my stuff. Birds ain't allowed. Hey, get out of his hair. Why you gotta be in the minion's hair? You're messing it up. God, no respect. Bob. It's so mean. He just flies on your hair like that and messed up all your spikes.